Hi guys, and welcome to Soulpumpfitness. So excited to have you with me in our day number 5. And let's start. Find your sitting. As you know, get comfortable, cross your shin, or if you're sitting on your shin or on a chair, just make sure you're comfortable, close your eyes, chin towards the chest, regarding any sitting position. Quiet for the brain. And I'm starting inhaling through the nose, taking a slow, smooth, deep inhalation and a slow, smooth, deep exhalation. Often you're going to hear me say, how quiet can I be? How gentle can I be within? The only thing I will love you to emphasize on in this moment, in this time, in this space, is on your breath. So I'm inhaling through the nose to my best ability, and I'm exhaling through the nose. I'm inhaling through the nose, and I'm exhaling through the nose. I'm acknowledging the expanding of my rib cage, sideways, back and forth, up and down. I'm acknowledging the diaphragmatic breathing. As a result of deep breath, the diaphragm will press against the organ and the abdomen will push out slightly. It's a beautiful thing. It's a massage to your gut and to the internal organ. So every time I have a challenge, for example, with emotion, with feeling, even with restroom time, you take a few deep breaths, guys, and you see what's happened. Okay, you see what's happened. I'm inhaling deeply, quietly, passion. I'm passionate with my breath. I'm passionate to explore my breath. I'm passionate to figure out my breath. All the areas that I have little bit discomfort, if it's my neck, it's my upper trap. You notice some of you probably moving the neck even right now. That's okay. See if you can be still and breathe to it. If you need the movement, you move. If you need the adjustment, you adjust. Just me and you. So do what works for you. With all of this being said, see how quiet can you be while the breath doing her thing. The breath is extremely powerful tool within the human body, and I think truly most of us as a society not breathing enough. Same here. When I discovered the breath through, it came more from the yoga words for us, and through pranayama, just standing for breathwork. I was kind of like, whoa, why we don't emphasize on it with the fitness world? Now, sometimes we do, depends which method. There's people that do touch it, but I find it that it's not so appreciated like we want it to be, because it's extremely powerful. And if you remember in our other videos, we said you can go without food for many days, weeks, maybe even months. You can go without water for a few days, few weeks. I don't think so far like food, but definitely you can go few like a nice amount of time without water as well. But without breath, guys, without breath, it's quick became permanent brain damage. That's how crucial that your brain and your heart tissue and the rest of the tissue will get deep level of oxygen, like a deep consciousness breath. And don't worry about which kind of breath. The only breath we do together is just consciousness breathing through the nose and consciousness exhaling through the nose. My lips softly touching each other, and you do your best just to breathe as deep as you can. At the same time, again, my eyes are closed, my chin towards the chest, and I'm just aware if I can, between each breath, can I breathe a little bit deeply? Can I explore my breath and I can maybe push my rib cage away slightly or my scalp away via the breath? And when you get to the top of your breath, hold it for a second, just for a split of a second. Don't even retention, it's not a retention of the breath, it's just like you just to see all the space you create within. Okay, so again, sideways, up and down, back and forth, thinking about the human organism as a 3D. Open it, all direction. And when you keep breathing, guys, so please the whole time when I'm speaking, focus on the breath, inhalation through the nose and exhalation through the nose. And today we're going to talk about just taking action. Okay, taking action, execution, but I like more taking action. So taking action, you sitting here with me, breathing deeply, listen to someone that it's not you, sharing words, I hope it's come across love, compassion, gratitude. I'm just here to express how amazing and beautiful you are. And please don't cancel it like, this is bullshit. No, it's not. There is a beautiful motivational speaker called Les Brown. I really love this gentleman. And he said there is a greatness within you. Now, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, bring it out. Bring it out. How we bring stuff out? Via taking action. So you're just sitting here, breathing deeply, holding space for yourself, holding space for your feeling, holding space for your mind and your brain and all the beauties that it's you. You're taking action of improving your well-being, improving your mindset, improving your nervous tissue, improving your heart. You're giving space to the body to taking care of herself. And I find that beautiful. And with taking action, remember, there's no small ideas. There's no small ideas. So every idea you contribute towards you taking action, towards whatever you desire in life. And I don't know what you desire. I do not know your desire, but you know right now when I'm speaking and you thinking within your head. And so ask yourself how I'm taking action towards that. And again, and we said it before, slow motion is better than no motion. Every great journey starts with one step. But my question is, what's stopping us from start this beautiful journey, start this beautiful step, start this beautiful movement towards where I want to go? I'm not trying to get there tomorrow. It's just impossible, guys. It's really impossible because there is some acknowledgement that need to take place. There is some skill that maybe need to gain. But how can I take action towards going there? Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose, and within your own head, see if you can think about what can I do little bit better to take action today towards the future I want to see, towards the future I want to be part of. And guys, please do me a favor. When you think about yourself and when you think about where you want to go and what you want to do and what you want to achieve, that I love that, don't suggest what will go wrong, okay? What you want to see. Because the subconscious works in a very weird way. It doesn't know bad and good. Whatever you feed, you will start seeing in the world. So that's why we pick your language. We pick you on being positive. We pick you on being grateful. We pick you on all of these beautiful feelings and ideas and attitudes within the human body. So what we see outside, it's match what we feel here. So again, just a thought. So even that's actually taking action. I'm going to take action today to envision what I want to happen to me regarding my personal life, physical, emotional, spiritual life, and I will think in a positive light on it. I'm not going to suggest what I don't want to happen. I'm going to suggest what I would like to happen, what I would love to see. Okay, so that's one way beautiful to take action, just by just seeing in a positive light. Because we can all dwell on what's not working, and many of us do that. But what not working doesn't lead us to what working. Let me explain it. When something is not work, you take a second to acknowledge, okay, to accept it. Remember we talked about it a few days ago? So you accept it. But now, okay, how we evolve it? Right away you shift into taking action. What can I do to improve it? What can I do to change it? What can I do to slowly and gently and gradually get to where I want to go? And there's nothing small you can do. Please, guys, even every thought that you start attributing to where you want to go and what you want to do is beautiful. It's taking action. Then the thought will become to words, right? We all know this sentence. This word will become to action. And then those action will be you in the world, pursuing you. So through sitting down and taking deep breath and quieting the mind and relaxing physically. Relaxing, if you ask me what it means, it's to allow to the muscle tissue to not grip the bones. Where the muscle have attachment in X point to a Y point, when that's relaxed, both of the joints get relaxed. They find relaxation taking over you. Oh, I'm very calm right now. I'm very gentle. I'm very relaxed. So just a thought towards all of those stuff, okay? I'm inhaling deeply through my nose. I'm exhaling deeply through the nose. Slow, smooth, deep inhalation. Slow, smooth, deep exhalation. Take action on your breath. That's something you can affect. That's something you have the power to change. If we get nervous, few deep breath. When they get angry, again, what they're saying, count to 10. Take a few deep breath. When sometimes you don't figure it out, right? You're like, I don't know what's happened. I don't know what's going on. Go for a second to the corner, take a few deep breath. So at least that center. So you can see whatever move, you can see that. You're clear enough to see what's not clear. But if you're not clear, and what is not clear, how we can improve from there. So again, just a thought, guys. We're just philosophically talking and sharing and loving life together. So deep inhale through the nose, deep exhale through the nose. A few more deep breaths here. And just in your mind, how can I take more action to improve myself, to improve my relationship, to improve my relationship with my kids, with the world, with my parents, with every human you interact with. It's going to be more pleasant, more love. And by just start thinking about those stuff and self-study, self-awareness, solution will come, guys. Hold space, do some deep breathing, consciousness, awareness of the breath, and keep revealing the beautiful person you are. Keep shining the diamond stone. The diamond stone that we see in the store and we pick up from the land, it's not the same. So cut it, shave it, sharp it, become the diamond that you are. Because you're absolutely here to shine, and when you shine on me, you give me the opportunity to shine on you. And I appreciate that. When I come across people through my walk of life that give me this gift of shine on me, and then I shine on them. So a few more deep breaths here, and remember that, guys. The power is you to take action. And again, you seeing or hearing me right now, because maybe your eyes are closed, and just taking the time to breathe deeply towards your lungs, towards your heart, towards all the beauty of your body, of your tissue. It's enormous. Again, there's no small step as long as you go to your direction. And we all need to breathe. So that message is technically to any human out there. Just breathe deeply as long as you can. Exhale deeply as long as you can. And be mindful on the breath. And when you hold space to do it for yourself, a lot of the stuff that I'm sharing with you clicking automatically. We just live in such a busy world, so when you just sit and breathe, you give time to digestion of the information, and then to the opportunity to actually take action about what you just figure out in your beautiful mind. Slowly and gently, open your eyes. Have a beautiful day of taking action on your life, on yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow. Much love.